Good morning, students. In this class, we will learn about new topic, isn't it? Before starting the topic, I want to show one activity and let us conclude that which is the activity, which is the topic we are going to discuss. Okay, children, see, this is what inhaler. Yes. So, what you are observing, what you are seeing, it is in moving. Yes or no? It is in what? Moving. So the object of inhaler is in motion. Motion is nothing but any object in our surroundings. Motions are there. Like peoples of motion and vehicles in motion, trains in motion, aeroplanes in motion, birds in motion, raindrops in motion, and objects which is thrown to the air, which is thrown, the ball, the stone, what we have to thrown in the air, those are in motion. Okay, so these are the examples in our daily life. The motion of the objects which is change the speed by the time is called motion. Okay, so due to the motion of the earth, the sunrise and sunset, seasons are coming, moon also coming, so many things are happening around us. Yes, children. So this is the due to the motion of the earth. Here I was given 3 questions for you. Let us try to understand the term motion. Okay, fine. First question is here. 2 persons are standing beside the house. This is a house. 2 persons are standing, A person and the B person. I want to ask one question for you. Which side is the house? Which side is the house? Let me assume that I am a person. I stand beside of this board. So here, which side of this board? For me, myself, left side, isn't it? When I changes my direction, my position, assume that I am a B person. Which side of this board? Right side, isn't it? So here also the question is same. Which side is the house? There are 2 answers are there. First one is, as per the A person, the house is in left side. Yes. As per the B person, the house is in right side. As per the A, left side. As per the B, right side. Okay. And the second question. See. Is day or night now? Is day or night now? Just now. We are seeing this is the day. In Hyderabad, this is the daytime because of sun is there. Sun is present. But in New York City, in America, this is the night time. Just now, the differences are there. Okay. Third question. This is the globe, and there are 4 persons are standing on the globe. Who is up? Who is down? The answer. Here, 4 answers we get. What is that? As per the A person, he is in up. He thinks that B is in downside. Yes or no? As per the B person, see, he is in up and D person is downside. As per the D person, see, he is in up and C is in downside. As per the B person, when turn to this board, you can find out B person is upside, A person is downside. So this is the relative to the motion of the objects. In next class, we will discuss about the term relative. The answers comes from the observer. When we observe, the answers are differ from the different situations. Okay, thank you.